Today we have my 2013 BMW 335 Xi, and she's been a pain in the butt. I yesterday swapped out this headlight over here to replace one that was over there. It's cloudy, it didn't seem as bright, and I had the parts car for this one, so I thought I'd swap it in and coat it and make it work. I can't get it to coat. I've tried everything, all the tutorials. ChatGPT failed me. So what I'm going to do, I have to take the front bumper back off. So I'm going to go over how to take the bumper off of one of these cars. This is the F30 chassis. They're pretty easy. Did it yesterday. But have the hood open. I'm going to take this up right here. Just peels off. And we're going to have to undo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think those are T30s. Then you have one on each headlight. That's a T25. And then we have to come over in the wheel well. Let me set my tools down. And we're going to undo some 8mm bolts here. So you got 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's a third one up there. That should be all you need to do here. Mine has been off before apparently, so I have one, and of course I zip tied it all back on, so I got to cut all those. It was missing all those tabs, so yours might have plastic connectors on the bumper right here, and then a couple 8mm bolts over there as well. And then once it's all done, mine has cameras. So you gotta unplug the camera on the driver's side. Oh, and it has a headlight washer, so you gotta do the headlight washer. And then on this side, you have the same camera, headlight washer, and then the connector for the parking sensors. So let's get started on these. Pop all these off real quick, and then we'll go get the wheel well ones. So this is a T20. Okay, and then when you slide this off, it has these little metal clips, so you gotta slide it out of like that. There's a couple of them along here. And you also gotta remember to slide it into those when you put it back together, and also under that headlight tab. Okay, now for the other ones, get an 8mm, or if you don't have an 8mm, a 5/16 American will do the same job. I was thinking about pulling these wheels off, but let me see if I can just rotate that enough. I do have it in the air off the ground for a little more accessibility. Oh, I guess the other part is there are two 8mm bolts. You'll see this one, but there's one buried right here on the inside. We got to get those two. So start with this one, then this one. You're going to peel this back to get to it, and a good extension to it. Okay, so we peel this back, and that's going to be your camera if you have one, and your headlight washer if you have that as well. That's just a simple pull on this black plastic and it will release. It's going to take two hands though, but that other bolt is right up there if you can see that. That's what I got to get to, but I can't do it with one hand. Okay, so with all those undone, I undid all my zip ties. It should slide off. And just like that, bumper is off. So if you're looking to upgrade to like an M Sport bumper, pulling one at the junkyard, super easy to do. And that is it. Now I'll get to work on this headlight.